Are you waking up every morning more tired than when you went to bed, wondering where your energy went, why your mind feels foggy, and why your body is no longer bouncing back the way it used to? You might be telling yourself, maybe this is just what getting older feels like. But what if I told you? It doesn't have to be. And more importantly, what if I told you it's fixable? Hi, I'm Dr. Samra Turajlic. I work with men over 60 every single day, and I've seen firsthand how the right changes, small, powerful actions backed by science, can completely transform the way you sleep, recover, and feel. If you're tired of dragging through the day, losing your edge, and watching your vitality slip away, stick with me. Because today, we're talking about one nutrient that could change everything, and yet it's overlooked by almost every man out there. One simple shift in your nighttime routine could radically improve your sleep, energy, hormonal function, and even your libido. Let's reset how your body sleeps, recharges, and shows up for you, starting tonight. What's troubling is not just that my patients sleep, but that the sleep they get doesn't seem to do what it's supposed to. They wake up unrefreshed, sluggish, lacking clarity, almost as if their batteries never fully recharged overnight. The body's usual rhythm of recovery just isn't happening efficiently anymore. And over time, these men notice more than just tiredness. They notice changes in libido, strength, mood, and even emotional resilience. Many assume this is simply aging. But here's the truth. Aging may play a role, yes, but it's not the entire story. There's often something deeper and far more correctable going on. One of the most frequently overlooked reasons for this type of exhaustion is not poor sleep habits or even sleep disorders. It's actually your body's internal chemistry, specifically a chronic deficiency in one key nutrient, magnesium. Let's step back for a moment and understand what sleep is supposed to do. During high-quality sleep, your entire system kicks into repair mode. Muscular recovery, cellular detoxification, hormone recalibration, especially testosterone, and functional rejuvenation of the heart, brain, and vascular system, these all take place during deep sleep. It's your body's scheduled maintenance window. When that fails to happen, you feel it, and it's often mistaken for just getting older. Magnesium is essential to this overnight recovery process. It's what I call a recovery regulator. This mineral activates parasympathetic functions, the rest and repair mode of your nervous system, helping signal your muscles to relax, lowering cortisol levels, and guiding your body into deep, restorative stages of sleep. This is also when testosterone synthesis and vascular recovery take place, key elements for energy, strength, and yes, sexual function. Now here's the issue. Most men over the age of 60 are operating with critically low levels of magnesium, often without realizing it. This isn't just speculation, it's backed by national nutrition surveys. Modern farming practices have stripped our soil of magnesium, meaning even healthy dietary choices like vegetables and whole grains may not contain the nutrient levels they once did. On top of that, as we age, our ability to absorb magnesium through the gastrointestinal tract declines. The result? You may be eating well, but not getting what your body needs to fully recharge. So, what does a magnesium deficiency actually look like in real life? Maybe you wake frequently at night to urinate, or perhaps your legs ache, tingle, or cramp in the evenings. Some men report vivid or unusual dreams, interrupted rest, difficulty falling back asleep, or simply waking up still feeling tired. Mood also suffers, anxiety increases, irritability spikes, and motivation fades. And yes, many notice fewer morning erections and a decline in sexual drive. These aren't just random signs of aging. They're red flags that your system isn't completing its nightly repair cycle, and a key player may be missing: magnesium. So what's the solution? Just adding any magnesium supplement won't do the trick. The form of magnesium you take is crucial. You see, not all types are created equal. Some pass right through the body without being absorbed, while others can cause unwanted side effects like diarrhea. Magnesium oxide, for example, is cheap and widely available, but it's poorly absorbed. Often less than 5% makes it into your bloodstream. It might help move your bowels, but it won't restore deep sleep or nourish your nervous system, Instead, I recommend two highly bioavailable forms for men 60 and older: magnesium glycinate and magnesium L-threonate. Magnesium glycinate is incredibly gentle on the stomach and has calming properties. It binds with the amino acid glycine, which supports neurotransmitter balance and can promote muscle relaxation and lower stress. Many men describe it as delivering a sense of total body ease, like easing into a warm bath before bed. Better vascular relaxation also means improved blood flow, and yes, that can translate into stronger, more consistent morning erections. Magnesium L-threonate, on the other hand, is unique in its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. It was developed by MIT scientists to directly support cognitive function and neurological repair. It's especially helpful if your mind keeps racing at night, preventing sleep onset. This form can calm mental chatter, support memory, and even enhance mood over time. You don't necessarily have to pick just one. Some of my patients use magnesium glycinate nightly and add L-threonate on more stressful days or when mental fatigue is especially high. The ultimate goal is the same: a quiet mind and a relaxed body, the perfect combination for deep restorative sleep. When it comes to timing, that also matters. Magnesium works best when taken about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Glycinate doses between 200 to 400 milligrams elemental magnesium are commonly effective. L-threonate usually comes in higher weight doses, around 1 to 2 grams total compound, to yield approximately 100 to 150 milligrams of elemental magnesium. Always start at the lower end of dosing to assess tolerance and follow the manufacturer's instructions or your physician's guidance. Combine your supplement with a sleep support ritual. Dim the lights, turn off digital devices, and engage in a relaxing activity, whether it's reading, light stretching, prayer, or simple breath work. Sip a warm cup of chamomile tea or just water. This tells your nervous system it's time to disengage from the day and start the restoration process. You'll likely notice your heart rate falling, breathing slowing, and muscles softening. That's magnesium beginning to work. Now let's talk about results. Don't expect miracles on night one, though many feel early shifts. But within the first week, you may notice you're falling asleep more quickly and more deeply. You might wake up less during the night, or not at all. Muscular tension, those heavy legs, and even nightly bathroom trips often diminish. By week 2, men frequently experience a boost in morning energy, sharper cognition, reduced anxiety, and even the return of spontaneous morning erections, your body's natural signal that it's restoring vitality. At this point, your system is finally doing what it was made to do: repair, recharge, and energize. Without stimulants, without hormones, just with the right biochemical support. That said, a few cautions are worth noting. Avoid using magnesium oxide. It's ineffective for this purpose. Don't take magnesium too early in the day. It can relax you at the wrong time, sabotaging your energy. And don't skip nights. Magnesium works cumulatively. Consistent use is critical. Try it for a solid 2-week period. You owe yourself that much. If you're on regular medications, magnesium is generally safe and even beneficial, particularly alongside blood pressure and lipid-lowering treatments. However, anyone with kidney dysfunction or on anticoagulant therapy should speak with a physician before beginning supplementation. Also, for enhanced nervous system and hormonal support, consider pairing magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6, a combination often referred to as ZMA. These nutrients complement each other in supporting testosterone production, mood balance, and deep sleep cycles. Here's what I want you to take away. Waking up feeling bleary, tired, foggy, or unmotivated is not an inevitable consequence of growing older. It's often the symptom of a correctable nutrient deficiency. And with the right nighttime strategy, including targeted magnesium supplementation and a solid pre-sleep routine, you can absolutely reclaim energy, clarity, and vitality, sometimes faster than you expect. I've walked alongside countless men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s who thought their best days were behind them, only to rediscover sharper mornings, clearer thinking, and stronger physical resilience. It starts with fixing the way you sleep, and that starts by giving your body what it's missing. Try magnesium, take the right form, stick with it, and watch what happens.